This is section 5.3, and now we're going to talk about properties of logarithms. We use these properties of logarithms when we're trying to solve an exponential function. So one of the things we can do is convert it to a logarithmic function and then work our way backwards. That's part of the reason why we use these. So today we're just going to talk about how you can use an expansion, or when we say expand the logarithm, this is what we're talking about. So when you have a log base A of u times v, you can rewrite this as log base A of u plus log base A of v. And the same can be said of the natural log. When you are doing the quotient property, we're talking about division, it's the same as saying log base A of u minus log base A of v. And then the power property, literally you take this n and you take it to the front. So it becomes n log A of u. Now, this looks strangely familiar. If you can think about it, when we're trying to simplify a to the n times a to the m, we're really adding those two exponents. So that would be a to the m plus n. So notice that they have something similar. When you're multiplying, you're going to add them. When you're multiplying, you're going to add them. Same with if we have a to the m over a to the n. And when we're dividing, this would be a to the m minus n. And then if we have a to the m to the n power, these two end up getting multiplied. So we'll have a to the m times n. And notice that in a sense, and this is the same thing, you're taking the n and you're multiplying the whole thing by n now. So let's look at two examples. We want to write this as a logarithm of 2 and 3. So we can first of all write this as ln of 2 times 3. And knowing that we can add, we're going to say ln of 2 plus the ln of 3. On this one, ln of 2 over 27, I could rewrite that as ln of 2 over 3 to the third. So if I were going to write this out, I could say ln of 2 minus ln of 3 to the third. And you could take that down even further because this is to the power, so we can take it to the front. It would be ln 2 minus 3 ln 3. This walks us through that. So here's some other examples of rewriting logarithmic functions. Let's do this one. Log base 4. Notice that these are all being multiplied, so we're going to write them as a plus. So it'll be log base 4 of 5 plus log base 4 of x. And notice that there's that power value, so we're going to dab it to the front, so it'll be 3 there. And then plus log base 4 of y. On the second one here, we're going to take them in two parts because there's a division, so we're going to subtract. So we have ln, and I'm going to put that in parentheses, 3x minus 5 minus ln of 7. Now, remember, the square root is the same as saying the value of the exponent to 1/2. So I'm going to write 1/2 there. And because it's to the power of 1/2, we can take it to the front. So it'll be 1/2 ln of 3x minus 5 minus ln of 7. And I think this shows you how to do that as well.